time to go in the garage. So we got the B pillars out, the main section of the floor out, right? That. All gone. But I want to keep the trans tunnel in here because I want this center drive shaft bearing. Alright, back to the cutting. I gotta get that center trans tunnel patch out, so it'll have like a three-way key that'll slide together. Yeah. Then you get your power stand, so you come right through the toe when you're done. No, you gotta be careful of that. We're gonna take this chunk out, and then we're gonna slide that peninsula into this slot. Turns off power, activated. Whoa! Just like out of there. Bye. We go back to our story with the car nearly cut in half. Fill up the trans tunnel to find out that there are two more little tubes gotta cut through. Oh yeah, see there's more hidden shit in here, dude. I'm gonna go right through that thing. Right through that thing. Slip the tires out and roll this thing. Lower the rest of the air out, we got that much of a gap. There we go. Lower. Lower. Open. She is done. And it worked the way I thought it would. We can do that. So we're disconnected. I'm standing in the middle of a car. I could cut my legs off if it came apart. Yeah, if it came apart, I'm all collapsing. You take my legs off. I didn't really think a car would blow up either, but it did. Can't get it fast enough. Do the thing move, dude. I am disconnected. Alright, before we get too proud of ourselves, we got some more work to do. We cut this off. But I can't slide this forward until I get 20 out of here. All right, now here's one. My YouTube, my Bill, my base, not my base, this is Brit, B-R-I-T-D-O-N. Yeah, you gotta watch the weirdness and listen to the bass if you can watch the build. There we put our hand under the car, I'll move it quickly. Nice. Once it goes off in your face, y'all, it's gonna be a little shine, you know? Alright, so I think here's what I think my problem is, right? I have no idea. Stand back, that's all. No one's gonna notice this thing's straight. And engage keys. I think I might have made this a bit. Yeah, miscalculated. Your whole big back end and just get it up in there, right?